Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Amazon SES tutorial and how you can send emails using AWS SES. So this is the tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, you will have to enter AWS sign up option over here. As you can see, once you search this on Google, you will see the first link. Once you open this link, you will end up over here. Here you can see we are looking at create a free account. As you can see over here, I have just zoomed in. And if you go and click on pricing, it will open up like this, and you can see that you can even start a free version also. But how pricing works, so AWS offers you a pay as you go approach for pricing the vast majority of our cloud services. With AWS, you pay only for the individual services you need for as long as you use them and without requiring long-term complex or contracts licensing. And obviously, once you are not using it, as you can see, you stop using it, there are no additional charges for that. So this is how it works, as you can see. And if you want to learn more about this, you can come over on this page and start learning, right? But for now, what you're going to do, just click on create free account. It would take you right over here, and here it will ask you your obviously your ID, your email ID, and your name for your AWS. Once you enter that, you will end up over here. This is the second step. As you can see over here, this is the second step which I'm going to fill out right now. And you can see we have some questions also over here, like how do you plan to use AWS. So you need to just enter all these stuff. And on the left side we have free tier offers. All AWS accounts can explore three different types of free offers depending on the product used. So you can see always free, never expires, 12-month free to start from initial sign up date. And so just let's just say if I start right now, obviously it would start from today, right, for the next 12 month. And we have trials over here start from service activation date. But right now, just go ahead and fill out this whole information. Once you enter the information about your address and the name, you will end up over here. As you can see that sign up for AWS, they will require credit and debit card number, and this is necessary, by the way. On the left side you can see that we will not charge you for usage below AWS free trial tier limits. We may temporarily hold up to $1. So just remember that. And as a pending transition for 3 to 5 days to verify your identity. Once you're done with this, just click on verify and continue for the fourth step. So once you have done with the credit card details, you will end up over here, which is the fourth step. And you need to enter your phone number, your security check number over here. And after that, they might send you a text message like a code, and you will need to enter over here for the verification code. Obviously they need to verify that you're using that number, or you can go with a voice call also. So I'm going to do that real quick, and after that step 5 would be like it's finished. So this is how it looks like. So once you done with all of this, I will meet you after this. I'm going to fill this out. So once you created your account, you will end up over here. This is the main screen, main dashboard of AWS. And on the right side, top right side, as you can see, this is the servers which we can use for ourselves. And sometimes obviously they will give you by default the closest servers which you have with your location, right? And make sure that whenever we are going to set up AWS SES, it will only set up on the specific server which you have chosen. So choose wisely, and I would say that go for the nearest servers. So once you select your server, what you're gonna do, you need to search on the top SES. Once you click on SES, the first link you will see that Amazon simple email service. This is what we need, right? This is how you can send emails. So once you click on this, it will take you right over here, and on the left side we have so many options, but we are going to verify identity first of all. Without verification, obviously no service will be required for us, and no service we can avail with AWS. So what happens that just click on verified identities and click on create identity on the bottom right corner. As you can see, click on this, you will end up over here. This is the domain and email address, two options for identifying. So we can go either with the email address, any email address like as Hotmail or Gmail, or you can go with the domain. So let's just say you want to go with the domain. Click on this, obviously, and the next thing you will see at the bottom, you need to enter your domain. Just remember that and select use a custom mail from domain. You need to copy everything what I'm saying and what I'm instructing you to go through a whole process and verify your AWS SES. So once, first of all, obviously you need to verify your identity, right? So once you go from this, click on here, And after that, you can even enter your subdomain over here. After you verify that, you will end up over here. What you're gonna do now, just click on, obviously you need to wait for a while, maybe sometime it takes 1 day. So once it's verified, you just need to click on your domain which you have created, like which you have verified from it. And once you click on that, you will end up over here. These are the values of your domain. What you can do, that you can even download it if you want, and you can even copy it if you want. We are going to copy this to, you know, to our domain services, any domain service like GoDaddy, Hostinger, and multiple more out there like Cloudflare. So go with any one of them. If you're using with GoDaddy or Cloudflare or Hostinger, so every one of them has DNS settings. Go to DNS settings, and what you need to do, just copy these two. First of all, copy the first one, CNAME, this copy and this copy, name and value. Once you copy that, go to your Hostinger. For example, I'm using Hostinger over here. DNS servers, as you can see. What you can do, just click on over here, manage DNS records, CNAME, enter the value, name, and the value over here, this value over here. Once you enter that, click on add records. Do with all of these three, and you will be verified. And obviously it might take some time, so just wait for a while. Don't think that it got hanged or something like that. It may take some time. And once you do that, you will see that at the bottom you will have more options, mx and txt. You will need to do same process which you have done with the other name and value. So go ahead and copy this also, mx and txt, and copy these two and paste that. After that, once you do that, you will end up seeing something like this, successful, and that means you have been verified. This is the first step. Now what you're going to do, you just need to click on add account dashboard, and click on account dashboard, which you will see request production access. Click on request production access. Once you end up over here, you will need to enter your details. Click on marketing, enter your website URL, and enter your case description. If you want to make sure that you don't go across 5,000 characters, just remember that. So enter all of these details. Go ahead and click on submit request. Obviously you need to agree the AWS service terms also. Once you do that, click on submit request, and after that, go back to your home page, or you can say dashboard. Search for IM or at the top. Here we are going to make a group for to get access for SES. So you will see what I'm talking about. Click on IM now, and search for IM at the top at account dashboard, and you will end up over here. This is where you need to click on the left side of the menu, users, then click on add users. After that, add the name, any name over here. I can go with the magnetic mailer, if you can say. This is the, or you can go with any mail which you are using right now. So enter that information over here, click on next, and after that, just click on the add user to group, click on create group, search for SES, which we which we want from to send emails using AWS SES. So it will allow us to send 50,000 emails a day. So this is a lot in my opinion, and it is good for email marketing. And what you're gonna do, just search for SES over here, and make sure to check mark Amazon SES full access, and name that group obviously. And what you're gonna do, just click on later, like create policy here, and you will end up over here. You will see that your groups, how many groups you have created. You will see all of them over here. Click on that, and you will end up over here. Click on security credentials, and you will see your console sign in link over here. Under console sign in link, you will find XSC. Click on create XSC, and click on third party services using third party service. So for this tutorial, I will show you for magnetic mailer. It's the third party service obviously, or if you're using your local code command line interface, it's all on you, whatever you are using. I'm going with this one. Click on this, and after that, download CSV file. This is very important. In this, you will find the access key and secret access key, so you don't need to open it again and again. Once you download this, why we are going to download this, because we are going to use this access key, secret key, to connect Amazon Web Services to any email service you are using. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you magnetic mailer. This is the interface of it, email marketing settings at the top, as you can see. And here you are need to enter your access key, secret key, the region, the server which we have chosen, configuration set, and email ID and the name. So these are the very basic things which you need to enter here, and click on submit. And after that, what happens that you can easily send emails using AWS SES, and that's it. This is all you need to know how to use Amazon SES and how to set up and send emails using AWS SES. If you follow all the instructions which I have told you, and obviously this may take some time, I have just summed up very quickly, so make sure to listen and follow every single step. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.